she said yes. Riverdale actress Tiara Skovbye got engaged over the weekend and shared news of her proposal from a longtime boyfriend Jameson Parker on social media. Longest celebrity engagements this weekend was something out of a dream, the 22-year-old actress, who plays Polly Cooper on the CW show, wrote in an Instagram post on Monday, August 14th. The love of my life surprised the crap out of me and asked me to marry him in his childhood bedroom. Not planned. I'm really hard to surprise. We got to spend the rest of the weekend hanging out on the lake with both of our families and it was absolutely wonderful. I'm over the moon happy, getting hitched. Happy Taryn Gonad and gonna be Parker. Tiara Skovbye as Polly Cooper on Riverdale Diaparatha CW. See all the stunning, sparkling celebrity engagement rings of 2017 in a series of Instagram photos. The Canadian actress excitedly shows off her engagement ring and snuggles up to her future husband on an inflatable raft while on a lake. I'm stuck with this for life, she captioned a solo shot of her fiancé on her Instagram story. Quickest celebrity engagements. The couple have been dating for more than 2 years, and Skovbye also got some more good news this weekend. Her CW show won for Choice Drama TV Show at the Teen Choice Awards on Sunday, August 13th. Prior to landing her role on Riverdale, Skovbye was best known for starring in Lifetime's The Unauthorized Saved by the Bell story in Supernatural. Want stories like these delivered straight to your inbox? Sign up now for the Us Weekly newsletter for the latest celebrity entertainment, news and lifestyle videos. Subscribe to Us Weekly's YouTube page.